Hey, Columbia! Hey!
Hello everybody, welcome to Life Disney and Beyond. This is part 2, count 'em 2, of Saturday's crazy vlog fun. So we just got off of Indiana Jones, if you saw part 1, and we are on our way somewhere now.
But
just
where are you
still
at?
a mystery kind of, but you might know by the direction we're going, what area we're going to, but you're not quite sure exactly what we're
We
doing.
booked a fast pass, but where to, my friend?
That should limit the choices when you say fast pass, because there's only a few fast passes here at Disneyland. So if you can see where we're at, there's the river. Where are we going?
Where could we possibly be going?
Geez, I don't know.
I will tell you, some of you guessed it correct in the comments.
You did, good job. And if you watched part 1, the weather was very different. It was extreme this morning. You're gonna want to go check that out.
Yes.
Because now it's beautiful and sunny. A typical winter Saturday.
Winter California Saturday.
And we've arrived at our fast pass. If you guessed Big Thunder Mountain, you guessed right, Katie.
Congratulations!
So are you gonna go reverse goat, straight goat, side goat? What are you gonna do?
No goat.
No goat.
I'm just kidding. I'm gonna go
That's a style though. That is a style. No goat is a style.
where you don't look at it, because I don't want to get.
Oh, you don't? Yeah.
I don't want that dizzy life.
I'm gonna go reverse goat.
Here we go.
Here we go.
How are you doing today? Oh, they decorated for Christmas.
Well, Rainbow Ridge they're into Christmas.
Oh. It's beautiful.
Woohoo!
That was a fun morning.
Well, that was.
Morning indeed.
All right, where are we off to?
I don't know. Honey, I don't know the answer to that question.
Ah, yes, we made it alive.
We sure did.
Runaway train.
Dynamite?
Runaway
Okay.
train, never coming back. I've just nailed 2 songs in the execute. That is beyond impressive. Yeah, beyond impressive. All right, over here in Critter Country.
Where the critters are.
That's right, that's where Katie is. She's a critter. That's right.
That was the noise I came out with. I don't
Yeah,
know what I was doing
it's
there.
a very critterish noise.
It was critter.
Yeah.
Look at how cute the decoration is. Oh. And I love that the bulbs have honey dripping off of them.
Well, yeah.
OMG.
He's inviting us in. Let's go.
The Rue is a little covered.
It's a covered bridge, Katie.
It's a covered bridge.
It's kind of an East Coast thing. We don't really have covered bridges. I guess we do maybe in NorCal, but it's kind of an East Coast thing.
Wow, I love the 100-acre wood.
It's funny that the 100-acre wood, it takes so little time to navigate.
Does, even though it's
100 acre. Yeah.
Is what tigers like.
Tigger.
Please stay in your seat. With your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside.
So what's your favorite seat in the Beehive?
Well, I would have to say the front, and here's why.
Why?
I have a very good reason for this.
Why?
because as some of you may or may not know, this used to be the Country Bear Jamboree, one of my favorite attractions of all time. So in homage to that attraction, they inserted the three main characters from Country Bear Jamboree in the second room. But you have to be in the front row or the second row to turn around and look, because it's up behind you when you go into the second room.
That's a good one. I still like the back a lot just because I feel like it's my own personal little...
No, it's
the
really...
way it comes over you, I'm like...
It is awesome, except you cannot see
You're right.
the three guys from the Country Bears at that
Good
point.
Good point.
But it just depends on, you know, depends on your hive preference.
Your hive seating preference.
Hiverances. So this is the back row, Katie's preference. We can't see the three characters, but they're hard to see on camera anyways. Yeah. It's so dark in there. All right, back of the hive.
I sat down so hard. I love it back here.
Back of the bus, back of the hive.
Look at it. I mean, isn't this the best seat?
Go ahead and make you pull it out. I
love the back of the hive.
See, Katie likes the coziness of the back of the hive.
I love it. I feel like we're in our own little like...
Here we go.
A little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Hang on tight, Roo.
Down, down, down. I never noticed that.
First the wind, and now this.
Hey, this is fun. Goodness gracious.
Right its way. Hope you like my
Would you care to join me in Pooh Corner?
Sure, that sounds like a natural transition, a natural segue. Because we are in the 100-acre Woods, so
We are.
it would only make sense that we would check out the gift shop. There it is, the Pooh's Corner sign welcoming us with honey. Honey, honey, steal honey.
Look at that fun.
Hello. And they're always making candy back here. Oh boy. Chocolate covered marshmallows. Thank you. I'll take that tray. Look at the beehives, the honey hives everywhere.
I'm trying to make the noise they make.
That's
not even close, is it?
Yeah, a little bit.
You can hear, like, you know what I'm trying to go
No,
for?
because the TIE fighters make kind of a roar sound. They do. It was a good attempt. See if you can fly into the honey hive. Look.
Can't reach.
You can't reach.
Failed.
It's because the Empire sucks.
I disagree.
The Empire sucks.
I disagree. Have you had these honeycombs?
I have not. Are they good?
Good is an understatement. These are delicious.
Do they come from those honey hives right there?
I think so.
Well, hip hip, hooray! Look at the honeycombs up top.
And do you see
look.
there's like a machine?
Oh yeah, that's the honey machine over there. But look, Katie, one of the honeycombs is broken open, and there's honey coming out up there.
Look what we found!
Ah,
Tree!
look
It's
at
the Pooh Bear tree!
just honey everywhere.
This is legit one of my favorite trees in Disneyland because of all the bees
Yeah,
and
look at the
honey.
bee. Look at the bee right there. He's like,
Look
yummy.
at the honey dripping off of the... Oh my goodness. And I mean, this is one of the best trees, really. Oh my gosh. Look at the whole thing from the base, Spence. Look.
Oh, the base. Look, it's really overflowing out of the base. And see, as you notice, larger bees down at the bottom because they're getting to eat more. Actually, it's the forced perspective of Disney to make things look farther away and taller, so you make the bees on top a little bit smaller and they seem farther away at a glance. So over here in the back of the Pooh's Corner, they have some great stuff, but they have the Gingerbread Kit, right? Isn't that what that is?
Yeah. Remember what I said I wanted to do with these?
You wanted to take him to the island and
Decorate. Let's do it.
All right, okay, on our way to the island.
Not that far, but it's not yet.
Are you ready to go decorate cookies? Be a good spot to do some cookie decorating across from good old Mark Twain.
Dun, 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 dun.
It's like the credits song.
So these are only $7.99 for a 2-pack.
Okay.
You can get them on Main Street or they're back in Pooh's Corner. Those are the two places we saw these. By the time this upload, I think they still have them in January though. And it comes with everything you need. We also grabbed some napkins and knives.
Yeah, crucial.
On our way there.
Because there's none of that stuff on the island.
Yeah. You want to open it. We're like camping here.
They're really thick, which is cool.
Yeah, and they're soft too.
Oh, so that's the frosting
Decor.
pouches?
Yeah.
All right, Katie is prepping the frosting pouch. That's cool that they give that to you. It's like the professional one where they
like
squeeze it out. Like.
So just don't use a lot.
Oh, there you go. Okay, that one's ready.
Armed and loaded. Ooh.
Okay, here's my blank canvas.
All right, what do you want first, red or white? This is so much fun and we haven't even begun. There's more white than there is red, but we have to ration.
Got it. I think I'm gonna let you go first.
Okay. Okay, do you see how I didn't even like...
Yeah.
Here's my eyes. Doo, 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 doo. He's gonna be a happy little thing. He's gonna have boots that I'll fill in with red. This is gonna be his
jumper.
His jumper. Oops. These are his. I'm gonna do just this and then smear it.
DJ Red Boots.
DJ Red Boots. That's his name.
Oh, look at you with the knife technique.
See? That way you use less.
A smoothing technique.
Yeah, and you just don't use a ton.
Yeah, because you don't want a lot of frosting. I never like too much on.
Well, joke's on me for that one. I do like a lot of frosting, but
you have to allow enough for me.
But we want to save it, yeah. I'm being a good friend. I'm great.
Look at that belt. Very stylish belt.
It's not stylish. It's so bad. He's a white belt.
Oh yeah, he's trained in the art of karate.
Karate.
Or I should say karate.
So like if you do a little splurge of it.
Well, you really go to town on that belt, aren't you?
Yeah, because I'm going to make it a colorful belt.
Is it a Gucci belt? What is that?
Stop making me laugh. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be... Boop, 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 boop. See this technique?
I have a feeling you're going to do a smoothing technique on that.
You had a good right feeling.
Scalpel.
Scalpel.
Plastic knife.
Plastic knife. He's gonna say his shirt's gonna be a Life Disney shirt.
Oh.
And then we're gonna do this.
At least he has one, huh?
At least he has a Life Disney shirt. Ooh, unlike everybody else. This is gonna be a cool thing.
Is he Charlie Brown?
No, he's gonna have, it's gonna be swirl to make pink. See? He's got a pink shirt. This is supposed to be a bow, it's just not working very well.
Oh, okay. So that's
There.
Minnie Mouse is what you're saying.
Yeah. She's a Minnie.
Alright.
Alright. Now for the fun part. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, smoothing. Get the smoother.
I gotta, yeah. I gotta fix
It's just
this.
an ugly Christmas sweater. That's okay. That makes
Yeah.
sense.
Aww. That's a really cute gingerbread. She needs a nose, huh? I think she looks cute, huh?
Yeah.
A little bow.
Alright. There it is.
There she is.
Katie's done.
She's a beauty. Look how perfect this is. We're sitting here decorating, just watching the boats and the canoes.
Okay, here we go.
Uh-oh. Did you hear that, you guys? Here I go. I'm gonna come over there. Alright guys, we're waiting here to see what Spence is gonna come up with my other gingerbread friend. What do you think he'll make?
The smoothing thing.
I see what you're trying to do though. I think he's trying to make a Mickey.
Sudsy face.
It doesn't work. His white face is so bad. Let's hold them up next to each other because they're friends. Guys, just don't make fun of him. He's a little sensitive. He crumbles under pressure. You know what? We still like you, even though... Let's go look at the boats. Hey, Columbia! Hey!
Alright, so it's basically Mickey shaving cream look in the morning. That's how he gets to that. He gets to that because he's got a shave, so I don't, you know, it's a little never before seen shaving cream Mickey. He just ate a pigeon.
Oh, sud face. Sudsy.
So now the only appropriate thing to be done here is to eat them.
Is it good?
Very good.
I think I want to eat mine. Aw. Oh, that is good.
Cheers with the ears. Make your way over to the island, you guys, and give a try on a little gingerbread kit while it's still here.
Even if you can't decorate cookies, you can always come and bring your lunch and enjoy it here. This is like super peaceful.
There's a bunch of tables here. And I'm sure you could even find a little, you know, a leaner spot. If you don't have a table, you could lean up against a rock somewhere.
And you can also fill up your water at the water station right over there.
Over yonder. Your own fault. Are you ready?
No.
Come on,
Here we go. Alright.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness. Oh!
I think this would be a good time to say that if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Wow!
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as your notification bell, because we go live a lot and you're going to want to know when that happens and when new videos drop.
And don't forget, if you want to support Life Disney, you can become one of our Patreon leashes.
That's right.
Put all that information in the description below.
Yeah, we will, and we will see you next time on Life Disney and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody!
Bye.